Hi, welcome to Otter HB. Thanks for joining me today. Today, Janine and I are out on a hike. We decided to come up to Trabuco Canyon and go do a hike. I think it's going to be a 3-4 mile hike. Not too hard, not too easy. We've never done it, so it's a new trail. Please join us and let's go do it. Don't forget, please subscribe to Otter HB. Hit that thumbs up for the like. All of it really helps support the channel and support me. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay, so here we are at O'Neill Regional Park in Trabuco Canyon, and we're heading out on a hike. Let's go.
So it's awesome, new hike. We haven't done this yet. Come to a spot. You think I should have brought the map?
Yes, next time the map. But they have little trails inside. So we're gonna do this one today because I've seen a few bikes and I wanna give them the way of the road. So that one is more of a biking one. We'll take this one.
Let's go see where the road takes us.
I've seen quite a few signs about mountain lions, so I will be looking out for those. And Bigfoot, of course.
It's interesting, we're in their home. I mean, this is Bigfoot country.
No.
We'll keep our eye out. New hikes are always fun.
I definitely recommend hiking shoes because it's not really a
What's that?
I recommend hiking shoes because there's lots of different sized rocks and boulders. So chances are at some point today you're going to see me trip. I'll try to do it gracefully.
And I recommend coming out and doing it.
I like this one.
It's always awesome. Get out and do. Good hike, but we're early June. It's already starting to heat up, so.
Yeah. I would not suggest this in August.
How come?
It's too hot. You'll feel a cool breeze, but then you'll get to little areas where that heat is there.
Nice little uphill though. Feels good. It's always nice. You get out of the truck and you go, my legs are sore. You go, well, they'll loosen up about halfway up the first hill. And they do. So you turn around and look and go, already. Starting to be a pretty cool view.
I see someone hiking way over there. You see him?
Yep.
Right over him, that little white shirt on. I think it's odd. We have not passed another human being yet. The very beginning we saw bike riders.
You gotta love having hiking trails to yourself. They're all over. Janine's hearing all the noises and a lot of buzzing, and says if something lands on her, I'm gonna know about it.
Absolutely.
Hopefully the video will be going. That'll be awesome.
Oh, geez. I was not expecting so many hills today. I swear I wasn't. I was thinking more like this.
I might have told her we were going on a walk.
Yes.
And remember, there is a difference between a walk and a hike.
It's definitely a hike.
And the difference is usually elevation and other stuff.
Rain.
So I think I'm hooked on Trabuco Canyon. This is only one of the hikes here, which I think should be a loop, but it looks like there's a ton of trails around here. From easy to really hard. What's that?
It'd be cool if we got to the top here and it evened out a little. I'm just saying, I think that'd be a great idea.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Gotta love the benches. Someone went to a lot of work. Put up some benches for us. Oh, I like this.
I think you got your wish.
Wait, look what I got.
Janine got her wish.
Nice.
As we look, it goes higher.
Woo.
But it looks like our trail
Yay.
goes down.
I like it. I bet you guys can do it.
It's gonna be a nice loop. Not long. I bet you this hike's probably 2 miles, but I can find a longer one. I don't think Janine will let me today. You look and go, no animals yet. I think I seen a lizard, but I will tell you, it's snake country. It's keep your eyes out. Janine thought she should bring the walking stick, so you grab a twig.
This is gonna do more damage than it is helpful. I'll end up hurting myself. So maybe not.
I could see her moving the wrong way and just scraping her arm, and all of a sudden, where's the bandage?
To be honest, poke my eye out. But it's a great idea.
I really enjoyed that. Thank you, sweetheart.
Whew, like the shade. A little bit of shade on this walk, which is nice. Okay, so it looks like there's another hiking trail on the top over here. And you can see, if you look really closely, you can see people walking on that top. So just another cool trail over that way.
Not.
If anyone has a suggestion for Dave, I of course love Franny, my fanny pack. I don't leave home without her. Dave needs an idea that's not his GoPro bag, but something smaller just to carry his water in and a couple things.
And I love my GoPro bag, which I love carrying, but it's a little bit bigger. It's got everything. I've set it up for long hikes. These 2-3 mile hikes, I just never grab it. So I was thinking about a fanny pack, but Janine can't live without her fanny pack.
You know, fanny packs never went out of style. That's what I believe.
Little mountains, little hills.
I have to give him credit for the amount of benches I've seen. Whoops.
Almost.
Try that again. I have to give him credit, Orange County Parks, for the amount of benches they put on these hikes. We haven't needed one yet, but if you do need one, they're here.
I got to give them credit for having trails. They exist.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of work, and I appreciate it.
Look at this. It's just gorgeous. What a way to spend a Sunday morning. I'm glad you guys came out and enjoyed with us.
thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe to Otter HB. It really does motivate us to get out, to see more, do more, and to video it for you and to have some fun.
Funny, I think we really did this hike backwards the way it comes up. I think you come up this way and do the reverse circle, which is a bummer because I think once we get down to the bottom we got to turn around and do it again the right way.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good try. Good try. I like doing things a little bit backwards and different anyway, so why not?
Sounds good. So make sure you keep watching. This is a hike. As soon as the hike's done, I think we're gonna go walk through a campground for a few and then go get lunch. So stay tuned to see where we land.
We'll go check out O'Neill Regional Park camping, which we haven't camped at yet, but we're gonna go check it out. We did it. We did one full loop. Not very long, but it was nice.
So it's interesting, I'll show you right here. As we were coming up, you come to a fork in a road. Which way do you go? You go that way, or you go that way. Turns out, can you ever go the wrong way on a circle?
No.
Not really.
It was great. There you go.
So it looks like that loop, the hike we just took, was 2 miles. So it's a nice walk, uphill, downhill, a little bit of flat, just not bad.
Get the waterfall too. Good.
I told you there was going to be a lunch involved, so here it is. Was a great hike. Hope you enjoyed it. Now it's a Chinese chicken salad and tomato juice. Don't forget, subscribe, like, all the good stuff. Thanks for joining us, and
Have a good one.
we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.